Adding a fancy signature to your Gmail is pretty simple. All you need to do is click on the settings icon, go to the word settings, and then scroll down till you see a large white box. That's where you're going to work on your signature. In this case, it's empty. Click inside the box and type the information that you'd like to add. In this space, you can put things like your name, title, location where you work. With this information, you can change the font. You have a limited selection within Gmail itself, but you can also change the size, and you can change the settings as far as being bold, underlined, italicized, and with the A button, you can change the color of both the background behind your words and the color of the text itself. You can also add images to your Gmail signature by clicking on the image button. Then you can either select items from your drive or click on upload to upload them from your computer. Images can include things like logos or maybe just a little picture that you like to add to your signature. Once you have your image placed, there's a few options you can do to make it a little more customizable. You can change the size by clicking on the options right below the image itself. You can also make it into a hyperlink by highlighting it and clicking the link icon in the menu. When you're finished crafting your signature, be sure to scroll all the way to the bottom of the settings page and click on Save Changes. Then you can test it out by hitting the Compose button, and look, there's your signature. Should you have an email that you do not want to have a signature part of, you can highlight it and delete it within the message itself. Please keep in mind that signatures may not appear on all replies and forwards, but only initial messages.